Hey guys, it's me Imam Islam Kane and welcome to today's video at the K Museum in Hong Kong, and I'm with my brother Harold. He organized this great event to go out to talk to strangers so that we can get to know them and also get to meet new friends. It was a great adventure. So it was actually a great adventure visiting this beautiful, magnificent K Museum. Is one of the most expensive shopping malls I think in Hong Kong. You can buy anything you can. And there is brother here. And then we were just like standing there trying to figure out like maybe some people to talk to, because like the papers to go out on that day. It was about going on a social challenge, and there is Jen. She was also part of the group, and here we are. Like after I talked to those guys for some minutes, doing some interview.
I kind of like talking, and also because I did this like internship where like I had to sell stuff in a booth, and I got rejected a lot, so I have no problem getting rejected.
That's really good. Well, that's the kind of mindset we need.
Do you have a specific food or like a specific restaurant that you recommend? Yes. And is there like a specific restaurant that you recommend? But it's not a local restaurant. Okay, that's fine. Are you from there? Are you from Hong Kong? Oh. Well, thank you so much. Have a lovely day. Thank you.
你頭先調轉咧，好耐。
你應該要買翻一個呢個 Richard 咯。
邊張嚟嘅？ 你頭先調轉咧，好耐。
你應該要買翻一個呢個做咯。
Interview scenes in K11. But last time I did it in mainland China, but it's a totally different scene. We just talked about very simple and kind of question. But this time we just purposely just select some people who can speak English. So which Bruce has to be on. She's the boss.
Did you want to ask something? I find it really good. This is my first event in Hong Kong since moving here for 3 weeks. I did want to come out and connect with people. And I think I found quite good friends. Best friends in Hong Kong, guys. Should be honest. But yeah, I'm excited to see what you else you've got planned. I'll forget about that. But actually talking to people, I think it was quite fun. I think the camera gave me something efforts to be doing it. Kind of gave me direction. Normally we're quite lost when we like have to just do it by ourselves. But I think with that pencil and camera and making videos with it, it does create that sort of confidence if you want to. And it gives you much easier to get out of this. Anything else?
Anything else you want to say?
No, but I just hope to see you guys next time.
Hey guys, today I was chilling with my friends and having some kind of chat, and they just finished, so now it's time to go. It's time to say bye to my good friends here. Hey guys, so the day ends. With my buddies here, some local Hong Kong friends. Really had fun together. Thank you guys. Okay. Picture.
And this is Jane is here.